Hello, hello.
No, they
Can you
said
hear me?
barely.
Yo, do you have your OBS like the other
Yeah.
audio
Oh wait,
turned
I
on?
gotta turn it up on TikTok Live Studio. Hold up. Here, talk again.
Yo, can you guys hear me? Testing one, two, three. Testing one, two, three.
Let's see. Yes, okay, they can hear you now.
All right, bro. So run me down what you look for, what you're doing here, because it seems like you're just pattern trading fucking weekly profiles, dog. This is
Okay.
not something you want to do.
Yeah, no, that's where like I get confused, right? Because like tend to pattern trade a lot,
Uh-huh.
and that's like my problem because like I only see like once I see it, I can't unsee it. You know what I mean? So it's like okay, I'll walk you through this day right here. So like
Okay.
I'd be like, so this is a Friday. So Monday we don't really manipulate anything on the daily time frame. We're pushing down. So this looks like your midweek reversal, right? Just looking at this long wick right here. And
Why though? Why do you think it's the midweek reversal though?
your
Why?
Thursday because we're sweeping out liquidity. We swept out like this level of sell side over here, and
Okay, what are we tapping into anything on the monthly time frame?
this order block.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, and we swept out this monthly external, or I
Okay.
guess this low, right? So I'm anticipating longs,
Okay.
but for us to be longs, I need to see like an hourly change in state. Right here, we sweep at the low. This is your change in state. So right here,
Yep.
this is where I get confused. We're technically bullish, right? We're bullish, but we're
Mm-hmm.
technically still in a premium. So how would you like go about it?
You're not okay, so go to the 4 hour really quick. All right, so zoom out. So you see that high that produced that new low that touched the monthly OB, the one to the left right there?
This one right here.
Up there, yeah. So drag your fib from there to that low. Okay, it's still in a premium.
Yes.
Okay, so mark out that 4 hour fair value gap right there.
Oh, this
The
one.
one in discount.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what time is it right there?
New York opening.
Which is what, like 8:30?
9:30, New York time.
Okay, so go down to the 1 hour again. Okay, so in that range right there where you started pushing up, you are in a premium of that range, but you're in a discount or you're in like equilibrium of that higher time frame range right there, right? That produced a new low from that high. So, what time is it again right there? 9:30?
9:30.
What do you have any news on this day or anything? What's going on in this
Michigan
day?
Consumer Sentiment Index. I don't know what that is,
What
but
what, what time is that at?
uh, I guess 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock?
Yeah.
All right, so let's see what 9:30 does. I mean, what I personally do, I'm always waiting like 15, 30 minutes till after 9:30, but let's see what 9:30 does because did you have any 8:30 news here or no?
We did not. We did not.
Okay, so usually when you don't have any 8:30 news, 9:30 is going to be the manipulation most of the time.
Correct.
So, let's see what 9:30 does. Okay, so we manipulated under those lows, right?
You're right. You're right. Right.
Okay. Now, go to the 1 hour really quick. Okay, so we're still respecting a fair value gap, right? That little one right there. I see a little one right
Like
there.
right here.
Yeah. So, okay, so we manipulated under those lows, still respecting the fair value gap. Now go to the 5 minute. All right, so you got a change in delivery on the 5 minute right there,
Right.
right?
Right. Right.
Okay, so now go to the 1 minute real quick. Okay, so fast forward it a little bit. Okay, okay, right here, right here, right here. All right, so wait, zoom out a bit. So you see that high that got swept over there? What high is that? That
Uh,
buy side right there.
this high right here.
Yeah, that one. All
Uh,
right, so that you see that fair value gap that's getting tapped into in that 1 minute?
yeah.
All right, so mark that out. So right there is where I would enter right there. Do you want to know why I would enter right around that fair value gap?
Why is that?
Because if I'm expecting continuation, that fair value gap that formed after sweeping that high should hold. So I would enter right around there, and I'd put my stop loss under the candle that formed the fair value gap's low.
So you said since you're entering off of this fair value because it swept out this high, right?
Yeah, it actually served a purpose. So if you're expecting it to continue higher, if your next objective is higher, that fair value gap should hold and it should not disrespect.
Okay. So okay, I got you. And then you said at this, I guess right here.
No, 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 at the candles low that form the fair value gap. No, 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 go up. The candle that formed the fair value gap, the low of it,
Oh,
right
right,
there.
right, right, right.
Now zoom out real quick. I want to see if we have anything on the upside.
Let me go. Let me go.
So what did 2 in the morning do?
2 in the
Two to
morning.
five.
London, London. You're right, London.
Yeah.
Basically, let's see. Let's see. 2 to 5. All right, let me turn on this
Okay.
indicator really quick. My bad. I'll be quick.
So it looks like it respected a fair value gap, right?
Yeah, right here. And we swept out
So
London lows.
what did Asia do?
Asia just, I mean, it just pushed up right here. This is the
Okay,
Asia.
it
The
pushed
yellow's
up.
Asia. It,
Okay, so we changed delivery from when? Was that the day before?
we changed this. Yeah, the day before. Yes.
Okay. All right, so yeah, I would enter up there since we took out London lows. That 1 minute fair value gap should hold, and if you zoom out a little bit, real quick, go to the 15 actually, see if there's any internal buy side up there.
This
Yeah,
high
so
right
there's
here.
internal highs up there. So right there, and then those swing highs up there.
Yep.
Yep. So I would target those right there. So go back to the 5 minute now. Let's see what the 5 minutes looking like. Okay, so 5 minute could form a fair value gap as well. So yeah, I would enter right there on the 1 minute if we're looking to get in on something. What's ES doing?
ES is over here on the left side.
Wait, bro, sync up your time frames.
No, it is. It is synced up. Wait.
No, it's not. It's not changing when you change. Go to the top right up there. On the top right, yeah, and then click on interval and time.
Interval and
Click
time.
those. Yep,
Oh,
there you
okay,
go.
there it is. Not synced. Not synced. Okay.
Yeah, there you go. All right, cool. Wait, switch the time frame. Okay, there we go. There we
I
fucking
was
go.
I was like, what the heck?
All
Okay.
right, so it looks like you have SMT divergence, right?
Uh,
At the London
yes,
lows.
yes, yes.
Okay, cool. So yeah, I would expect that 1 minute to hold. So let's execute right there.
All right. I'm scared.
See
I'm
what
scared. I'm
happens.
scared. All right, all right, okay. Oh shit, bro, bro,
Sinduke,
bro, bro,
Honduruke.
bro.
Sinduruke, Honduruke.
Okay, let me know when you want to go to break even. Let me know when you want to go to break even.
Right here, break even right
Right here,
here.
right here. Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay.
What time is it? What time is it? What time is it?
10:02, 10:02, 10:02.
Did 10:02 open higher? Or
Yes,
did 10:10? Did
yes,
it open higher?
yes. So this 10 a.m. opened up right here.
Okay, so go to the 4 hour. Okay, so this could be. All right, so this looks like an 1800 low of day. So usually on 1800 low of days, this shit just keeps going higher all day. So if 10 a.m. is opening higher, that's perfectly fine. It's going to be a distribution candle to the upside. I wouldn't move my TP all the way up there.
Yeah, no,
But
I just threw it up there. My bad.
yeah, just to take runners. Okay, so go to the 5 minute now. All right, so mark out that fair value gap right there. That fair value gap is the fair value gap that formed after it swept that high up there, okay? So that if it were to revisit that fair value gap there, it should respect if there's another clear objective to take out. So
Okay.
once it clears out that objective right there that you have marked out, that it's about to hit, I would TP right there at least 50% and just trail my stop.
Okay.
So let's see if it hits it. Okay, it's edging it. Edging it.
That's great. Okay, there we go. There we go.
Oh, there you go.
Oh,
Yeah,
shit.
there you go.
Okay, so just take half off, and
Take
then
half off right there, and then I'd leave the stop right where it's at, like right under that candle's low that formed the fair value gap, because that fair value gap right there on the 5 minute should respect if it comes down to it.
okay.
So go to the 1 hour now. Are we hitting any 1 hour PD arrays? We're not.
No.
Okay, so cool. So you can just keep playing this up until the next objective. Let's see if we hit that.
On the hourly, right, or the 15.
Yeah, the hourly's fine.
All right.
So I usually stop trading after 11, but let's see what 11 does, and then going into 12. There you go. All right, I'd be all out right here.
No fucking way.
Yeah, there you go.
Bro.
All right, and then over there on the 1 hour, it looks like you have a breaker over there. You mark that out?
Yeah. This would be your breaker, right? Right here.
Yeah, all those three
Yeah.
candles. Yep. Now go to the 5 minute. See if we can. All right, so your CISD would be down there. You see that first up close candle
Yeah.
right there. Let's see if we get something there or not. Because the same logic applies right here. So if the fair value gap, or if we're supposed to go higher, that fair value gap right there, that most recent one on the 5 minute, should hold. It should respect.
Right, because it swept out, I guess, or it tapped.
Well, it's the most recent fair value gap that's forming up here, so it should respect. So if we're expecting continuation here into the PM session, it should respect here. So
Okay.
go ahead and mark that out.
The PM session.
The fair value gap right there
Oh,
on the
okay,
5 minute. That one, yeah. What time is it, by the way?
It is 12:40.
How did 12 open up?
Bullish. bullish.
Open up. Okay, so it opened up higher up into the bearish PD array.
Right.
All right, so usually 12 p.m., which is, you know what 12 p.m. is? It's a key time.
Retracements.
It could be retracements or continuation of the morning move, right?
Right.
It could also be reversals. Now, open up your 6 hour chart. Not a lot of people know about this. All right, so 6 hours opening higher. We're hitting 6 hour fair value gap. All right, so go back to the 5 minute, and now let's see if we get a change on the 5 minute or not. Okay, yeah, we did. All right, so right here we disrespected that first fair value gap, right?
Right.
Boom. So we got a CISD, or no, we didn't actually. No, I'm tripping. We haven't got a CISD
I
yet,
was
but
about
we
to say.
did
I was like.
disrespect. Yeah, my bad, my bad. We did disrespect. What's ES doing up there? Did it make an SMT up there or not?
No SMT, but on ES we did get that change in state on the 5 minute.
Okay. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. So that 5 minute fair value gap right there, the bearish one now, mark that out.
Okay.
So same logic applies here. You see that internal low that it broke?
Yes, right here.
I would want to see this fair value gap hold. Now go to the 15-second.
You can't go on the 15-second on here.
Yeah, you can. You don't have the premium plan on that shit or what?
Wait, I do not. What? I didn't know you
Oh,
could.
shit. Okay, I guess you don't.
Yeah, I
All
don't.
right,
I
that's
don't.
fine. Because I would be looking for a 15-second change in state delivery out of that fair value gap. But, I mean, let's just play it. Let's see what happens.
Okay, this is most likely the changes to on the 15 minute, on the 15-second for sure.
Okay, yeah. Let's go ahead and play it. Go to the 1 minute real quick, actually. Maybe we can do something on the 1 minute. Yeah, okay, so yeah, you're getting it right there. So just, let's execute on the 1 minute right here.
And then your stops would be at this high, right?
Yeah, but go to the 5 minute real quick because I can't see the 15-second. So go to the 1 hour. Damn. Okay. So you have two 1 hour fair value gaps. So you have that small one. Go to the 4 hour. Okay. So go back to the. Okay. So go to the 1 hour and mark out those fair value gaps on the 1 hour.
Oh, we already right here.
So that one and then that bottom one right there. Go to the 5 minute now. All right, so we have a bunch of lows down there. Okay, so damn. Okay, so this is. It sucks that you don't have the 15-second.
Yeah,
But
my bad.
I would put my stop above the candle that formed the fair value gap, the high of it.
On the 5 minute, right?
Yeah, the 5 minute. There you go. So what is that? How many points is that?
32.
30. That's not bad. All right, so I would take it down to probably that first fair value gap. That's a swing low there. But then you have three of them there, so that's low resistance liquidity.
Right. So if we just started this one.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, let's see how this fucking plays out. PM session. Go. What time is it?
It is 150.
150. Okay, so 150, 210 macro. Let's see.
What the fuck is happening? What is happening?
There you go, bro. Hey, dude, just quick advice, bro. Ditch the fucking turtle soups, bro. Ditch the fucking turtle soups, dude. I'm telling you, bro. Listen, the reason why I say ditch the turtle soups, it's cool, bro. It looks sick as fuck when somebody hits a fucking fire-ass turtle soup. But what they're not showing is the fucking last 10 trades that didn't work when they were trying to fucking catch that one turtle soup. It has a low win rate, but when you catch the turtle soup, that fucking good one, yeah, it makes up for it. But if you're trading funded accounts, turtle soup isn't an ideal strategy because you're gonna be blowing in accounts, bro, because you're gonna try and keep trying to catch those fucking turtle soups. In my opinion, though, in my opinion, I would just trade confirmation strategies. Like just wait for those confirmations. In your case, right, I would learn confirmations first, like this, right? Like the flow state model,
Right.
which is sort of like a reversal model. Well, it is a reversal model, right? But I would learn this first over turtle soups. And once you get more, more well versed with these concepts, once you get more experience, then I would go back to turtle soups and learning it, right? So
Oh shit. No, because like I watched your video, I watched the time frame alignment. That's where I kind of got like the daily to the hourly, and then I was like,
yeah.
okay, well, if I want to see the daily expansion, I want to look at the hourly PD arrays, and then drop down to like the 1 minute or something, and then like look for a confirmation there. But this is so much
Mhm.
better.
Yeah. So one thing too is ditch weekly profiles. Stop studying weekly profiles and focus on daily profiles instead.
Yeah, like
And then
okay,
and then once you get a little more better with daily profiles, recognizing what London and Asia did and why, if depending on what London and Asia did, once you get better with that, then go back to weekly profiles because weekly profiles can be easily misinterpreted. Like you can easily pattern trade that shit, but
you can.
focus on more on daily profiles instead, and then more on confirmations rather than trying to just buy random little internal lows like you were doing a little bit ago. Which I was like, why the fuck is he trying to buy here? I don't get it. You know what I mean?
Right,
So
because like, have you heard of intermediate term highs and lows and stuff like
yeah,
that?
yeah, of course,
Yeah,
yeah,
so
of course.
that's what I was trying to do. Like technically, like for example, this would have been like your intermediate right here. This would have been
Hmm.
your long term, and then right here, this is what I was trying to catch. Right, I would have expected like this high to get swept, and then this high to be your short term or whatever, and then it was just a bunch of fucking nonsense, honestly, to be honest with you. So
Yeah, now that you look back on it, right?
right. I was
You're
like, I
like,
was like,
what
what
the
the fuck am
fuck?
I doing? But no, I understand. So basically, you're kind of just using the 5 minute for confirmation, and then like using the 15 second for like the change in state.
It depends. It depends, right? We hit a 1 hour PD rate. That's why I went to the 5 minute. So there's a
Okay,
time and a place for all these time frames, bro. Like the only reason why I would go down to the 15-second ever is if I'm trying to look for that extra confirmation. Because right here, we didn't get the 5 minute change, but we got a 5 minute displacement to the downside that broke that intermediate swing low right there, that internal low right there. You see?
right.
So we formed that fair value gap. We had displacement to the downside. We hit a 1 hour PD array. So we're pushing right back up to that 5 minute fair value gap. So, like I said, the same logic applies here. Once that fair value gap forms, that broke that low there, that fair value gap should hold also because of market structure, right? That low did not produce a new high. So that's a weak low. So it got broken through. There's a fair value gap there. So I would expect that to hold. But if I wanted extra confirmation, I would go down to the 15-second and snipe an entry instead of just going on the 5 minute.
Okay, I see. I see. So you're basically looking at the lows and the highs, and if we break through any high or low with displacement, you would anticipate it to hold.
Exactly.
Okay, I see. I see. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense.
Even if we sweep the highs, right? It doesn't have to break through, but if we sweep that high and we form a fair value gap before it breaks through, I would expect that fair value gap to hold if there's a clear objective to the upside or downside, or whatever objective you're trying to hit.
I see. I see. Okay.
I
Okay. Okay.
see
That's
I see
good.
people I see people saying 15 seconds crazy. Listen, the 15-second, I don't use the 15-second every day. It's only sometimes when I have like a 5 minute, like in this situation right here. If I have a 5 minute fair value gap and I want extra confirmation, you don't necessarily need it because you already hit a 1 hour PD array and you're getting displacement on the 5 minutes. You could enter on the 5 minute if you want. However, we didn't get a 5 minute change in delivery on the Nasdaq. We did on the ES, right? You see that on the ES, we got that change in delivery.
Right.
But did ES hit a 1 hour PD array? Let's check that real quick.
Oh wait.
It didn't. I don't see anything.
Yeah. I don't. Nah.
No, I don't see shit. So okay, so Nasdaq is the only one that hit it. So in this situation, I would have used the 15-second just to get a sniper entry and to get that more of a confirmation, right?
But like, wouldn't so? I have a question. So like, let's say like if you're on the 5 minute here, and if you look here, we technically got SMT at the lows. So why would you?
SMT. Let me tell you something about SMT. You never want to trade pattern or pattern trade SMTs. The only important SMTs that are even fucking super relevant to pay attention to are at previous day highs and lows, previous week highs and lows, or previous session highs and lows. Any other SMT is fucking bullshit. Or ones that happen in higher time frame PD arrays.
Okay, so only be looking for SMTs at around previous week, previous and daily candles. Right, you only look for SMTs at previous candles, correct? Or daily candles.
Previous day high lows, previous week high lows, previous session high lows, or if an SMT is occurring, let's say for example, a 1 hour fair value gap, you see a 5 minute bullish SMT occurring in a 1 hour FEG, right? That would be valid as well. Any other SMT like right here at these little small ass lows that don't even fucking matter, don't just fucking don't pay attention to them for the most part, bro. Yes, they might work sometimes for a retracement, but most of the time they're not gonna fucking hold. They're really irrelevant. People love pattern trading SMTs, dog. Like
Yeah, I know. I'm one of them.
yeah,
I'm one of them.
so let's go to the 1 hour real quick. Let's just finish off this day and I'll hop off.
All right, bet.
So mark out the 9 a.m. low all the way up to that high where we started retracing.
The 9 a.m. low.
I just want to see where we're at in this range right here. So we're in,
Let me.
okay, so that fair value gap right there looks like it's in discount, right?
Right.
So it's a discounted PD array. So mark that out. Let's go back to the 5 minute. What time is it too?
Yeah, 2 o'clock.
Okay, perfect. 2 o'clock is opening lower, bro. You know what that means, right?
Manipulation.
No, not manipulation. If we're expecting it to continue higher, an open low is ideally what you want to see for a bullish scenario, right?
Right.
Okay, so let's just play it. Let's see what the fuck happens here.
So we
Okay, nice
open
tap.
low, higher time for fair value gap, and then
Do we have a 15-minute there? Around that
yeah, right here.
Okay, we do. So go to the 1 minute. So here are overlapped PD arrays, right? So you already got a change in delivery right there, bro. See that?
Yes.
Okay, so cool. So here you have a fair value gap, right, on the 1 minute. So right here is where I would want to execute right here. And then I'd place my stop all the way at the low of the CISD since this is on the 1 minute. That's kind of a fat ass stop, but
I know.
we'll see. I don't know. Like whenever you do have big stops though, you always want to just reduce size, right?
Right, just go like one contract or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so I mean, I would execute right here and I'd probably aim for fuck, I don't even know. Probably go to the 15 minute. Go to the 1 hour. Damn. Honestly, I'd go to the 1 minute real quick. I'd probably just target one of those highs up there in premium.
In premium, so like, I mean, hold on, let's go on the 5 minute.
Yeah, one of those right there.
Like a 5 minute.
One of those little internal highs on the 1 minute, you know?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, like those little relative equal highs.
I bet.
So we have overlap PD rays. So we'd be paying attention to the 1 minute over the 5 because the 1 minute's printing more data. Yeah, I mean, see what happens. There we go. There we fucking go, dude.
Bro, what the fuck is happening, bro?
There we fucking go, dude. There you go. All right, go to the 5 minute real quick. Okay, so if this 5 minute candle closes like that, we have a 5 minute change in delivery out of the 1 hour as well.
Right. So like right here.
That would just give you confirmation there.
Okay.
Okay, boom, right there. Okay, so it retests it right there. What time is it?
For 2:55.
250. All right, so 250 to 310 macro. Let's see.
No way.
Tinduruke,
No
Hunduruke.
fucking way. What is this, bro?
Dude.
Bro, what is happening?
Yeah, man. Yeah, bro. Fuck the turtle soups. Except Powell, he's a go-to trader with turtle soups. But anybody else trading turtle soups, I've never seen fucking payouts from them. So that take it as you want, but
That's understandable.
I've never seen those turtle soup payouts. So if anybody trades turtle soups, tag me on TikTok, make a video. But yeah, I've never seen the turtle soup payouts ever in my fucking life. If people
Okay.
were catching consistent turtle soups, dog, they'd be fucking millionaires.
Wait, do you know who
You know
Soap
that.
is?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's all
Yeah, I
good.
don't.
Wait, so what do you think I need to work on? Like, just like you saw what I was doing. Do you think I just need to work on more confirmations overall, or do you think I was just finding the wrong narrative? Like, what do you think I need to work on the most?
I think you should ditch weekly profiles, focus on daily profiles, take it day by day. Obviously focus on higher time frame PD arrays and draw on liquidity, and then honestly I would just switch to just wait for confirmations, bro. Literally,
Right.
just wait for confirmations.
Uh,
Wait for
s-
confirmations instead of turtle souping. Learn confirmation entries, learn continuation entries, like with the fair value gap concept thing that I just talked about here. Uh, learn those two types of entries, and then go back to turtle soups. Turtle soup is like the most advanced thing, bro.
it is. It is.
It's the most advanced thing. So you're trying to learn it backwards. You're trying to learn the most advanced things right now. And honestly, yeah, I wouldn't do that if I were you. I would just stick to confirmations like this right here.
because like I see this, but like I'm on a 50K, right? But it's like the
Mhm.
stops are so wide. It's just like really wide. That's why.
Just reduce your size, bro. It doesn't matter. You're complaining about that because you're trying to rush it. You're trying to rush the process. You don't think that a couple micros can make you money, but it can, bro. Trust me,
It
it
can. It
really can.
can. I maybe I am rushing it.
Yeah, you are. Trust me. I fucking dude. I've mentored hundreds of fucking people, bro. You are. Trust me. Even if you don't want to admit it on stream or to
No, no,
me,
I admit
you
I
are
am rushing
internally.
it. It's like
Yeah.
we've all been where I am. You know what I mean? So it's like we want to
I've
like
been
make
there
money as
too.
fast as
Shit, bro.
possible.
I already fucking know, bro. I've been there too.
I got you. That's
Yeah,
fucking
bro.
crazy.
So,
So
so yeah, bro.
I got you, bro. Thank you so much, bro. I'll try to read more because I watched like majority of your videos about weekly profiles and daily profiles. I get it, but really quick, like, do you use? You said you on the daily profiles you prefer like the hourly PD rate instead of like the 4 hour. So obviously,
So yeah, I'm looking at anything above the 1 hour.
okay,
You
because
know what I
like
mean? So daily. Okay, so think of it like this, right? Daily profiles, right? The daily candle. What's the aligned time frame to that?
hourly,
The hourly, right? So anything at the 1 hour or above, it makes sense. So if one of the sessions uses a 1 hour or above PD rate, it makes sense. So right there, right? 2 in the morning, 2 to 3 in the morning used and respected a 1 hour for value gap. So that move makes sense going into New York session. But there are instances when price action will take out the London low on one of the correlated assets and the other one doesn't. So for example, here, if I remember correctly, ES didn't take it, right?
let me check really quick. No, it did not.
It did not. So okay, so that's valid, right? So we had the 1800, the daily opening push up. So that's an 1800 low of day, right? We changed delivery the previous day right before closing down there, right? Go down.
Right,
So we swept out the liquidity. We pushed up. We changed delivery. 1800 the following day opened higher. 2 to 3 in the morning, from 2 to 5, right? That London kill zone. Use the 1 hour or higher PD array to sponsor this move going into New York. Now, in this instance, 930 manipulated under the London lows. We got a bullish SMT with ES. We changed delivery on the 5 minute. And then on the 1 minute, that one fair value gap that swept out the morning high at the 7 a.m. high up there. I think it was 7 or 8 or whatever.
yeah, yes, it was 7 right here.
Yeah, so we had a 1 minute fair value gap right there. So I would expect that one to hold.
So you're only using like, cause like I would be, cause only or like I think anybody would have been like, okay, oh, we're in a premium of this range that swept out liquidity. We should wait for like a discounted PD rate. So what would you say about that?
No, I would look at my other range on the 4 hour that I told you to look at.
Oh, fair enough, fair enough, fair enough, fair enough, fair enough.
Because we're from that high, it produced a new low. So we're barely retracing up to it. Remember, the higher time frames hold a higher power, bro. So that's the range you're dealing in right there. So once we start retracing there, that's our range, not the other one. You could look at that one too, though.
Right.
But I'd be ideally looking at the 4 hour.
I see. I see. Okay, this makes sense. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Now I'm starting to understand why you look at the hourly for the daily profiles because I was always looking at the 4 hour.
Yeah,
So
exactly, bro.
yeah, okay, that makes sense. That makes sense,
There.
bro. This is fucking crazy. This is fucking crazy. No, like I've had so many people help me, obviously in the past, but it's like
Yeah,
someone says the funniest part is Ku's gonna apply this himself, lose the first trade, and change the strat.
that's funny.
Oh, I got you, bro. Thank you for taking your time out of your day to help me, bro.
Yeah, bro. Of course, of
That
course.
is
I
like,
love to see other traders win.
I got you. Thank you so much, bro. Like I said, keep it up, bro. You're doing great, man.
Yeah, I appreciate it, bro. All
I
right,
got
man.
you.
Well, have a good night, and everybody in the stream. Good luck, man.
Thank you,
Cheers.
brother.
You on? All right. All right. Later, guys.
See ya.
Oh.
Bro, what is happening? That was actually fucking ridiculous. How did he do that? Like, what the fuck? How did he do that? All right, kid, do it yourself now, bro. I'm scared. I'm scared to do it myself. Fuck. I'm scared. No, he made it look easy. He made it look easy. Honestly. He took you off that 13K. He took off that 13K drawdown and dipped. He had joined. Who was the teacher? It was Johnny. If you guys didn't know, it's this guy right here. This guy right here.
What is going on?
Just try it. All right, let's try it. Dude, I remember being in tactical traders with him, but like everybody was like, what is it? I was in tactical traders when Johnny was in it, and everybody was like, not everybody. What I meant to say, like, he was kind of underrated. He was low key underrated. Low key. And then like he went away from tactical traders and then like started popping off. But he was low key underrated in the tactical traders Discord or whatever. I'll take a trade alone. All right. Let's take a trade alone. All right. Look at 2 to 5. Look at the kill zone, right, Q? Look at the kill zone. Lows can act as PD arrays, right? So, look at that. We get that change in state of delivery here. We sweep out London highs also, but we're anticipating this low to be protected, right? Because we swept out, or because we tapped a higher time frame, and yeah, so we're not really tapping anything on the 4 hour. But going here, look at that. Hourly change in state. We have SMT at the lows. So I'm already anticipating longs, right? I'm anticipating this to be low of day already, right? So now, I forgot what he kind of did here, to be honest with you. Go on the 5 minute. I low-key forgot. I forgot. Hold on. And then like midnight. I'm just gonna drop the midnight and look for PD arrays under this, right? Just use logic. Don't pattern trade. Use logic. Where can we potentially pump? We have a rejection block right here. If I'm already anticipating this to be low of day, I don't want to see this low get swept, right? So go on the 5 minute. Wait, 5 minute. Wait, 15. Wait, hourly aligns with the 5 minute, right? So I want to see a 5 minute change in state of delivery here. Wait. Okay, so wait, hold on. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, so for this instance, we took out London low and lower prices, right? So, and look at that. We get that change in state and delivery, right? So, hold up. My camera just died. Give me a second. Hold up. Don't pattern trade. Hold up. Let me turn the camera back on. Oh. I know you guys want to see my beautiful face. No face. There we go. Hold up. No face. No case. So, right? Oh, let me fix this. Okay, so now, don't pattern trade. We have SMT at the lows, and look at that. It's at previous daily lows, right? It's at previous daily lows, or near it. So go on the 5 minute. We have SMT at the lows. So, changing state. Since we broke this high with the fair value gap right here, this is your entry. Stops at the slow. The entry should have been at this 1 minute fair value gap that swept out the high. Wait. Wouldn't this be the entry? Hold on. Wouldn't this be the entry? This fair value gap served a purpose, right? So, this is the entry. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm scared now. This is nerve wracking. This is nerve wracking. All right, let's give it a try. Let's just give it one try. Okay, we're filled. Okay, hold up. We're still in it. Okay. Obviously, there's something I didn't see. There's something I didn't see here. 15 minute was still bearish. Oh, shit, that is loud. What up? Oh, why is it so loud? Oh, my goodness. That was loud. Hold on, I gotta turn it down. I did not realize it was... I forgot to turn it back down. Bro. Chill. Did I do something? Well, it is a Monday, too. Check yes. What am I supposed to be looking for really quick? Like, really quick. What am I supposed to be looking for? Oh, SMT. Bro, I'm a fucking idiot. Obviously, SMT, right? Come on. On the 15 minute. No SMT. No SMT at the highs. Yeah, no SMT at the highs. Yeah, no SMT at the highs. So, I could say that I just got unlucky. Hit the 15 minute. Oh, I mean, I guess, yeah. Right here. Oh, but daily, I mean, what time did that high from? That high formed at 8:30. Oh, I think I just like lost whatever Johnny told me. Honestly, I think that